For several days now, we've been telling you about a storm system in the North Pacific and going into the Bering Sea that could become one of the strongest non-tropical areas of low pressure to be recorded. Well, we can confirm that that has happened, and in fact, it also now will go down as the strongest storm on record by central pressure in the Bering Sea. We still have some final calculations to get through, but the Ocean Prediction Center did analyze this at least as low as 921 millibars. And that would put it on top. The old existing strongest storms in that region held by two separate ones, 2014 and 2015 at 924. And we can confirm that this one did get down to at least 921. What does a storm that strong look like on satellite? Well, take a look at this. There it is. These are the Aleutian Islands right here in blue. This imagery courtesy of the College of DuPage. And there is the storm, that intense, huge spinning swirl there in the Bering Sea. The diameter of the central core of this storm is about 500 miles. To put it in perspective, the diameter or length of California is about 750. So a huge storm. We've been talking about this area of low pressure in the U.S. dishing out all of the snow, the ice, and the rain. There that storm is. Look how small that looks in comparison to the storm up to the west of Alaska. Incredible. That's been producing some incredible winds and also some incredible waves, buoys measuring wave heights of 50 to 60 feet, if you can believe that. And also, again, the pressure records and incredible winds. Here's another pressure record falling in the state of Alaska. This actually measured on land at a weather station, the lowest statewide pressure ever to be recorded in Alaska, 924.8 millibars. That's in Shemya. That's in the western Aleutian Islands as well. The old record was from 1977, held by a storm where we measured 925 millibars in Dutch Harbor. So another pressure record going down from this storm system. This storm also underwent what we refer to as bombogenesis. Bombogenesis is when a cyclone or a storm rapidly intensifies by at least 24 millibars in a 24-hour period. This particular storm actually went through it enough to do it twice. It deepened by about 50 millibars in the course of a day, which is absolutely incredible. This is most common with storms in the wintertime and over the water, so the stage was set for that storm to undergo bombogenesis. Strong winds do continue for Friday with sustained winds 40 to 60 miles an hour near the core of the storm. This storm is beginning to weaken and start to fill itself in, so it will undergo some weakening, so therefore the winds will start to calm down. Notice mainland Alaska, the winds continue to not be all that strong, a little breezy. The main wind event remains out in the western Aleutian Islands. We have much more on this storm at weathernationtv.com, and you can always watch us on these streaming platforms.